Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we're talking about artificial intelligence and how to make money with it, how to squeeze the AI to give us idea to make money. Again, I want to emphasize that our channel is for entertainment purpose only. So I will show you what I'm doing um, to make money, but again, not financial advice. Okay, we are an entertainment channel. Anyway, have a look. We asked the AI what's the story with Palantir. Palantir Technologies will go down in price just because GPT-3 and GPT-4 will kill their business. A lot of their business, they're going to lose a lot of contracts just because any accountant and anybody can go on ChatGPT and ask some predictions about data analysis, all right, and what's going on. Anyway, have a look. This is the thing, and let's start the calculations. And remember, my logic is undeniable. Okay, how do we make money with AI? So we just short sell some stocks, and we love to short these Palantir. Have a look. Okay, Palantir Technologies, it's a company which specializes in data analytics. Okay, they are in Denver, Colorado, and they are in the stock exchange. Okay, have a look. That's their website, blah 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 blah, and they're squeezing data, they're analyzing data, and they used to make huge money. I was so surprised to see, but in the last period of time, their contracts are shrinking, and they will keep on shrinking just because of ChatGPT. Okay, have a look. The best thing in these steps, what do you do to make money with AI info? You go in here, talk to your broker, but have a look. Palantir is about $8 and something. Okay, and the point is this: I will do in few hours go to my interactive brokers, my broker account, and I'll go in there, and I'm telling you, the contract puts, I will use options. Okay, so the put contracts, it's that I'm betting that Palantir will go further down, and I'll show you in here. I'll probably buy these that will expire in June. So again, June 2023, that expires on the 16th. Okay, that's a contract for a few months. I will go for 7 put. Okay, $7 will cost me roughly 60 cents or so. So I am paying 60 cents betting that Palantir stock will go under $7 by June 16. But I'm telling you, in the next few days, it will go under $7. And in few days, I'm thinking that I will double my money, at least. But if I have the guts to keep on holding, I'll probably quadruple and do even more. I may even get 5-6 times my money. Again, we go to Perplexity. ChatGPT, okay, and Perplexity are kind of the same, although Perplexity.ai, this website, is more sophisticated. It's ChatGPT with some extra information inside, all right? And what I'm telling you again, my logic, it's undeniable. Already the rumors are in here. Wolf Research, the guy Alex Zukin, has downgraded Palantir to underperform. Okay, so it's suggesting that investors should sell before it becomes a sub $5 stock. Okay, so that's why I'm doing it. In few hours, when the market opens, I will buy that put contract. Okay, so remember, use the AI and double check and squeeze that AI and use these steps. Talk to your broker or ask the AI how to make money with put contracts. Or if you feel like another stock is going up, use some calls. Okay, use options, trade options, make money. Again, AI will help us to make a lot of money, especially this year. So that's kind of it. Thank you very much for your attention and have a profitable day.